joins us. I'd recommend not trying any heroics. My gods will slay poor Lens where she stands. And neither of us want that, do we?
I'd actually say all three of us don't want that.
Isn't that lovely? We have an accord. Now, surrender the relic, and let's put this little disagreement behind us, shall we?
Disagreement? You killed Ayu when we tried to escape your laboratory.
Oh. You misunderstand. I didn't kill your partner. I ended up making him better.
Ayu!
Maybe now you'll finally understand. These pursuits, these relics, they're not just bedtime stories for younglings. Their power is quite real.
Come here, Ayu. Come on. It's me. Come on.
Oh, I must say, he probably has a slightly different temperament than you remember. You see, your pet has little will of his own at the moment. Now, relieve your former partner of the relic. Pull her arms out, but only if you have to. Careful! You dumbass!
Did we do it? Where?
I offered you a place in eternity, and this is the thanks I get.
Now, if you'd be so kind as to let me know what the other side holds, as I watch the light slowly drain from your eyes.
Ayu!
I'm glad to see you too, bud. This place is coming down. We gotta move. Here! Ayu! Lift! Up! Up! That's good, lad.
Take the relic. Ayu can't fit. And I'm not losing him again. And, hey, I was wrong. This was a job for a droid repair tech. Now run.
Stun them! I knew Doug was hiding something. Don't damage the goods.
Hey! That doesn't belong to you.
And you think you can stop us from taking it alone?
Oh, I'm not alone.
Excellent work. The relic will be secure. You two made a good team. And strange alliances that follow these items. I think it's part of why I love their pursuit. Maybe if I had no sense of dwelling on what can't be undone. Thank you. You've earned a rare distinction within this outpost. Darkondar owes you a favor.
And credits.
And credits.
Hello! You've been doing a lot for the depot lately, and Ruby and I really appreciate it. But if we could ask for one more favor, remember the Jedi Temple where you fought, vanquished the Baron? Well, inside there's a rare Metroid with a very interesting ball joint articulation, just waiting to be cataloged. And you know how I feel about rare droids and cataloging. Oh, would you mind scanning it for me next time you're out there? Thanks.
Hey kid, little help here?
Hey, I'm practicing waving more and talking less. How am I doing? I was running low on those parts. That'll work. Thanks. What's this? Oh, the scans? Look, forget that. We have a big problem. A big Seezleslack-sized problem. Get back to the cantina as soon as you can. Kid? He's gone. Seezleslack is gone.
I fear something terrible happened here.
I'll check the back room. Why don't you look around? We might be able to piece it together.
Yes, Otto. I can quite believe he enjoyed threatening innocent folks with it. Dear, blaster scorch marks. A broken blender. Oh, what will he mix with now? There's a First Order binders. My.
What was that?
Someone should open it.
Oh, hello, my friend. Thank you for freeing me.
Hondo!
We found a lot of transport solutions, Hondo.
You were in there the whole time? What happened out here?
I love your curious mind, Mubo. It seems that Seezleslack was telling a story to some of the patrons. A story the First Order did not like.
What was it?
Well, I don't know, but they most certainly disagreed with it. Some stormtroopers came in, threats were made, but our large friend would not back down. Until they stunned him. He snapped the first pair of restraints they put him in, and then stun. At least that's what I heard from my strategic audio observation spot.
Doc, the First Order, they took Seezleslack.
I've heard. He may already be on his way to an off-world labor camp. We must infiltrate the comms that the First Order is building. Slicing a data terminal there might be our only chance of discovering his destination. I am afraid it is very heavily guarded. Hondo and I recently attempted to perform surveillance on the facility. We were rudely rebuffed.
But how do we get in?
I have it. No more brows furrowed in worry. The First Order have a shipment of parts coming in, handled by Onaka Transport Solutions. One of you can stow away in a container. Special delivery.
You stood against the Guardian Death Gang when they captured R2. Surely we can count on you now. Wonderful.
An excellent choice. And I hope you're not opposed to cramped spaces. Don't worry. I mean, it's not like I'm selling you to the First Order in some sort of double cross.